Yeah.
Has it started yet?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello everyone, my name's Cappy and I've been eating fruit my whole life. The benefits, I think you get better health and it's vegan.
Yeah.
It's good for the animals as well. If the world adopted a fruit, veganism, the world would be a better place. There would be no killing of animals. And if there was no like sprays, everything was organic, it would be a much healthier place too. Alice Corn. And she's been on the diet for 20 years. She's done some talks. She has a website called fruitgod.com. Brisbane, Australia, Queensland. Yeah, we have some fruit trees. We got some soursop off one of our trees. So that's also known as something else. Durian, jackfruit, mangoes.
It's a little spiky, but I'm sure.
Yes. This is a durian. It's already been eaten, this one. Yeah, it's my favourite fruit, but I did get a cut from it. It's my durian scar of the week.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. So this is the inside of a durian, but it's already been eaten.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can get you with a fresh one later.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna have one later. Yeah. And there's all different colours of durian. There's white, yellow, orange, red, and green. Fleshed. Not on the outside, flesh.
How many kinds have you had?
I've had yellow and orange. I've had yellow and white.
Cool. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about?
No.
Alright, you want to do some beatboxing? Beautiful, dude. You rock.